What if I told you that an entire sea once disappeared from the Earth? It may sound impossible, but millions of years ago, that's exactly what happened. Long before humans existed, one of the largest bodies of water on our planet nearly vanished. Scientists call this event the Messinian Salinity Crisis. Around 5.96 million years ago, tectonic movements gradually closed the connection between the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. As a result, very little water could enter the basin. Under the hot climate, evaporation became greater than the amount of water flowing in. Over thousands of years, the Mediterranean Sea slowly began to shrink. Eventually, huge regions turned into vast salt deserts and deep valleys. Scientists believe some areas contained isolated lakes, while others became dry land covered by thick layers of salt. But how do scientists know this happened? Beginning in the 1970s, international teams of geologists and ocean scientists from countries including Spain, Italy, France, and the United States began searching for answers hidden beneath the Mediterranean. Working through projects such as the Deep Sea Drilling Project and the Ocean Drilling Program, researchers collected rock cores and sediment samples from beneath the sea floor. What they discovered was astonishing. They found enormous layers of salt buried deep beneath the Mediterranean. They also discovered massive underwater canyons carved by ancient rivers. These discoveries provided powerful evidence that the sea level had dropped dramatically millions of years ago. But the story didn't end there. Around 533 million years ago, something extraordinary happened. The natural barrier near the Strait of Gibraltar collapsed. Suddenly, water from the Atlantic Ocean rushed back into the empty basin. Scientists believe this event, known as the Zanclean Flood, may have been the largest flood in Earth's history. Gigantic waterfalls, possibly more than 1 kilometer high, poured unimaginable amounts of water into the Mediterranean basin. In a relatively short period of geological time, the sea was reborn. Today, countries such as Spain, Italy, Greece, Turkey, and Egypt surround the Mediterranean Sea. But millions of years ago, the sea we know today nearly disappeared from the face of the Earth. Long before humans existed, an entire sea vanished, and one of the greatest floods in Earth's history brought it back.